Hey y'all, this is Tay coming to you with another video on a wig review. And today I will be reviewing the Vella wig. Is that Vella collection wig? Joyce is her name. And I got her in the color 1B. Here she is. Y'all, look at this. It's cute, it's sleek, it's a blunt cut. Okay. Looks really nice. It was very easy to install, alright? And y'all all know we are in the bob season. I've been looking for a nice sleek bob, blunt cut bob that I can rock. You don't see me rock a lot of block bobs or whatnot, but I wanted to give it a try and see where we go, what we can do with this. And I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm liking it. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead on and continue watching this video. The back of the hair right here looked like it was uneven. I'm thinking because it's how I laid the wig down. I'm not sure, but let me know. I will have the wig in the description box for you guys if you want to go ahead on and click to buy this wig. I got this wig from the beauty supply store in my neighborhood, and as you can see it was 50% off, so I got it for like $12, y'all. So not bad. With tax it came to like $14, and I think they were just trying to get rid of their last stocked wigs or whatever. But this is really easy to install. I have locks under here, so it actually fit over my locks. I don't have a bump or anything in the back, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, it looks really good. It's really sleek. It fit over my entire head. I did have to do a little tugging. It does have adjustable straps in the wig, and you guys saw, you're gonna see it's a comb up here and a comb in the back, and that's it. That's really all you need. It is safe to put a flat iron on, like say if you want to straighten out the ends of the hair. I did bump the bangs a little bit, just a little bit, but yeah, it looks really good. So I'm saying if you want to purchase this wig, I would say most definitely, absolutely. It looks good, it looks fabulous, and it's good for this time of the year. Put it all back. And y'all know me, I love my headbands. Alright, this is what it's giving with the headband. Still easy to apply. Just a good look, everyday mom look, whatever, out, date night, out running errands or whatever. You can really achieve this look with this wig. But me, I like it like this. If I'm going to like the kids' school function or something like that, I would like this wig with this style. But date night, baby, date night, yeah, this a whole date night. Put on something sexy and sleek, and y'all, look at that. I really like this. I really like this wig. It's giving exactly what I wanted it to give. So if you guys are looking for a nice affordable blunt cut wig with the bangs, I would most definitely recommend this wig. Okay, it's not itching me. Most bangs itch, but because I'm growing my eyebrows out, that's probably why I don't feel it, but I don't know, they're not itching. Most wigs with bangs would start itching right away, and I don't feel it with this one. So yes guys, if you're looking to purchase this wig, go for it. The link will be in the description box below. I'm gonna find it somewhere and put it in the description box for you guys. I say it's a must. It is so cute. Wouldn't you agree? Don't forget to smash that thumbs up and